I'm Julie Chen. I'm the Vice Chancellor for Research, Innovation, and Economic Development here at the University of Massachusetts Lowell. The Fabric Discovery Center is part of the National Manufacturing USA Institute's ecosystem. More than 14 of these institutes nationally, and each one has a particular focus. UMass Lowell is involved in 8 of these 14, and the Fabric Discovery Center, with the help of the state, the Massachusetts Manufacturing Innovation Initiative, is a unique entity because it actually brings 3 of the institutes in one place under one roof. So the advantage of having all of these different areas under one roof, the fibers and textiles, the flexible electronics, the robotics and automation, add to that our medical devices incubator and our technology incubator. Having all that one place means that things happen more quickly. A company can come and they don't have to go to 5 different places to get access to that knowledge. They don't have to go to 5 different places to get access to equipment, and they can very quickly, walking 50 feet, utilize all those different resources.
The Fabric Discovery Center is the amalgamation of individual expertise of researchers from academia, industry, and the government for collective excellence in the area of functional fabrics and textiles. The UMass Lowell Fabric Discovery Center brings together the physical infrastructure and the complementary expertise of faculty and students, all the way from compounding our resins, which forms fibers, and textile products that can be tested under one roof.
This project, I would like to share with you our development of sensing textiles for structural health monitoring of pipelines and bridges to prevent civil infrastructure systems from sudden failures. This project is a joint effort of Saint-Gobain and UMass Lowell. In this development, our objective is to design and manufacture an easy-to-install, durable, and affordable sensing textiles by integrating optical fibers into textiles with different patterns. To monitor pipelines, the pattern of optical fibers can be designed to detecting pipeline bending and internal pressure change. Since the summer in 2019, we have been monitoring a pedestrian bridge on campus at UMass Lowell for structural health monitoring, and the railroad bridge in New Hampshire since November 2019 for traffic monitoring. We will also install sensing textiles on a new composite bridge in Maine.
This is a collaborative project between University of Massachusetts Lowell, University of Delaware, Boeing, Saint-Gobain, and also U.S. Army. The advantage of working with the industry partners is that we can understand better about their needs. And also, we hope that what we can deliver in the future will be really something that they need, and then they can commercialize and benefit the whole society.
During this crisis, we ran into a lot of problems because the global supply chain broke down. What does that mean? It means that we as a country need to develop stronger domestic manufacturing and stronger domestic supply chains. And the FDC can play an important role in helping our companies, again, startups, small companies, and big companies, create those products and processes to be globally competitive so that we retain that manufacturing capability here in Massachusetts and in the US.
So the benefit of the industry to be partners with UMass Lowell and the Fabric Discovery Center is access to facility, equipment, expertise of faculty, and also students, that need to be hired later on, trained student and workforce that could be hired by the companies.
The state's investment in this has really made it possible for us to make these resources available to external partners. Again, to startups, to small companies, to large companies, to government labs. It's making those resources available. The ability to easily make all of these resources available to our external partners is something that we pride ourselves in here at UMass Lowell because we believe in these government industry university partnerships.